Hi guys, how are you today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Eleftheria and I'm doing the CSS Flexbox challenge for FreeCodeCamp. In this short series and in this video I will be presenting my solutions. This is actually the last part of the CSS Flexbox challenges and I have already made 3 more. So if you haven't watched them, just go and watch them and then continue with this one as it's the last one for Flexbox at least. So yes, let's do this. There is a shortcut available to set several flex properties at once. The flex growth, flex string, and flex basis, that are some properties that we saw in my previous video, can all be set together by using the flex property. Cool. For example, flex 1010 pixel will set the item to flex growth 1, flex string 0, and flex basis 10 pixels. The default property settings are flex 0, 1, and auto. Add the CSS property flex to both box 1 and 2. Give box 1 the values, so it's flex grow 2, flex string 2, and flex basis 150 pixels. So let's first do this thing that says here. So I'm going to box 1 and I'm going to give it 2, 2, and 150 pixels. Alrighty. And then I'm copying this, going to box 2, and oops. Yep. Okay, so here it says 1, 1, and then again 150. So let's see if this one is correct, and it is. Nice. Oh, I like this property flex. It's short and sweet. So use the order property to rearrange items. The order property is used to tell CSS the order of how flex items appear in the flex container. By default, items will appear in the same order they came in the source HTML. The property takes numbers as values and negative numbers can be used. Add the CSS property order to both box 1 and 2. Give box 1 a value of 2 and box 2 a value of 1. Alrighty, so let's have this order value. And the first I'm going to give it 2, and I think that I noticed the difference. So I'm going again to box 2 and I'm going to give it an order of 1. Let's say that I give it a 3. Okay, I guess that now the difference is quite obvious. Alrighty. So let's continue with the other one, which is the AlignSelf property. The final property for flex item is AlignSelf. This property allows you to adjust its items' alignment individually, instead of setting them all at once. This is useful since other common adjustment techniques using the CSS properties float, clear, and vertical align do not work on flex items. AlignSelf accepts the same values as align items and will override any value set by the align items property. Add the CSS property AlignSelf to both box 1 and 2. Give box 1 a value of center and give box 2 a value of flex end. Alrighty, let's do that. AlignSelf box 1 and give it a value of center. Alrighty, and then in box 2 I'm going to give it a flex end, and let's hit Control and Enter. Oops. Yeps, that's not correct for sure. Okay, now we have the flex end and it is correct. Alrighty, and that was it, guys, for the CSS Grid challenges. We did all of them, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any question, I'll do my best to answer it, so just leave it in the comment below. I think that my next videos are going to be about the CSS Grid. I quite like this Flexbox, so yes, let's continue with the grid and let's see what I can offer you there. So bye guys, have an amazing day!